Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram. What am I doing? Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Same intro and outro, right? And I do things like this, and I do things like this, right? And then I bump the camera. I'm losing track of when I'm supposed to give a thumbs up, when I'm supposed to throw stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do I... Hang on. I don't want to reveal any... Oh, you know what? Yeah, so I have to... There we go. It helped. Oh, well, is there some? No, it just opened up. Guys, tape your packages down. Tape your packages down. It's all right, everybody. I mean, I've done that before too, but I'm glad this made it. Okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, we've got a note here. Let's see. Let me open this up real quick. I know, some people have already skipped ahead. Hey MC, hope you're well. Enclosed is my... Oh, yes, the other one. I'll get that out for you in a sec. For you to take a look at. This side was my first Grail purchase. I've owned it for a couple of years, and I have really enjoyed it. But it does take a bit of getting used to. By all means, feel free to carry it and take your time getting a feel for however you like. I included the leather belt holster if you want to try that out as well. As always, thanks a ton for all the great content. Look forward to the review. Oh, awesome. Okay, and then here is his Instagram information. Let me get that to you guys right here. Yeah, I definitely know him at the_knife_eclectic. Thank you very much. Give him a follow on Instagram. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Okay, so I've unboxed a version of this recently, but the reason I said yes to two is because of what he had here. So there will be a direct comparison, and this will be included when we do the review. Yeah, so this is the Fox Radius, but this one's in full titanium, which I immediately like more. I'm kind of a titanium person. The G10 one feels all right. What's the steel on this? I'm going to guess the steel on this guy is upgraded from the standard one. Boy, that's smooth. Okay, so listen. You can, kind of... I did this in the unboxing the other day, but let me say this. The titanium version of this knife, they both feel good. Like, the machining's good on both. But the titanium version of this knife does feel much more premium, right? Satin finish, meh, it's okay. I love how the hardware looks. I love the machining on the titanium. That's beautiful. I can't say that this design really is like screaming at me as a, wow, I love it. But as far as the overall quality of this version, it does feel substantially better. There's the little pouch that he's got there for that, right? I imagine you can put it in however way you want, right? Demonstrate how things go in and out of pouches. Cool. Yeah. Come to the Metal Complex YouTube channel where you get the most the most useful information, right? No, yeah, this is cool. I do like the titanium version of this a lot. What's back here? Radius. Is there something else? No. I'm guessing this is M390. I just don't... It doesn't say anywhere. Not that I can see. Is it hidden? You'd think it'd be right here. Look at that polishing. That's real nice. Look up there on the I guess the swedge. Yeah, let me wipe that off for you guys. That's really nicely polished up there. That looks really nice. Edge feels good. Okay. It's thicker than I would expect, but okay. Do we have a little bit of crud there? Maybe I'll have to clean that off with some CLP. Very, very interesting. All right. So now we have a couple of these, the lower end and the higher end to take a look at. The other one that I had was G10 and N690. So this titanium, and I assume M390, possibly S35VN or something else. I hope it's not N690. Yeah, that'll be a fun contrast. I will link this guy. I know that there are versions of the Radius that you can pick up. I don't know if this one is available. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. As per usual, this is just an unboxing and technically first impressions for this version, right? Even though I have unboxed it before, but I still don't have my thoughts gathered enough to do a review in this moment. So you guys will get a full comprehensive review with both of these knives in the same video come 3 to 4 weeks from now. Anyways, thanks so much for sending that in. Really looking forward to taking a look at that. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Leave a like, right? If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex channel icon right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.